Yeah, hello. Today I want to show you here the Jabra EVOLVE 65 headphones. Here we have like a really simple packaging. It's just like a cardboard box. Not much to it. Comes with some instructions and warranty information just as usual. I'm not going to look at those for very long. And then we have here this really nice pouch to store those headphones. This is really nice. It's a really good quality, it seems. And what's inside there? So we're starting out with this micro USB cable that's, I believe, to charge these headphones. And then here we have this so-called Jabra Link 360 dongle. So you can use this to connect the headphones to your computer. And then here we have the headphones themselves. They look really nice too. Here, black and orange. And let's see what you can do with those. So there's two buttons here, and actually in the middle that's a third button. And you can swivel those earpieces around. You can pull them out a little bit depending on your head size. Set them to your head size. And then what else? Okay, so here we have the microphone on one side. You can actually use it, you can swivel it around, so you can use the microphone on your left side or on your right side. And here there's this little place here where you can store the microphone if you're not using it. It's actually magnetic. And here we have the on-off button, a charging port, and then there's on the side there's also two LEDs, like status LEDs. And then let's see what else. Okay, so here can't take the earpieces off here, the cushions, but you can also swivel those here, both sides. You can swivel those around a little bit so they really adjust to your ears to sit right. Alright, so this is it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have questions, then leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Jabra videos here.